I've been putting it off for the longest, but I need to do my wig tonight. And I don't know which wig I'm gonna pick, so let's go have a look. The majority of my wigs are, in these bins. For the photo shoot, I want to do a wand curl, but I want the wig color to be like auburn. I think this is going to be perfect. And this is why I need to sell these wigs, because I just don't have the space. To start, for supplies, we're going to need bleach, and we're also going to need a 40 volume developer. I'm going to use both of these because they're kind of empty. I always use the watercolor method, and I'm going to use Adore colors, but I don't remember which colors do what, so I need to figure that out. These are the Adore colors I've used for the reddy, brown, orange, copper stuff in the past. It's given copper brown Cajun spice with a hint of paprika. I don't have that much paprika in here. I really should have gone to the beauty supply today. I am gonna look up the Adore color chart. This right here is Cajun spice. This is paprika. This is rich amber. It's more of like a dark red. Okay, let's just do it. Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. Just lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? This has been in here now for about 20 minutes. I don't think it's gonna get any lighter, and that's the goal. You want it to get as light as possible. So I'm about to wash this out. If I'm in my mind and where would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. I'm gonna use a little bit of Dawn dish soap to make sure I get all of the bleach out. I'm gonna towel dry this because I don't want it wet, just a little bit damp. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life, let's get it. Hit that shoulder, me. I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on. I'm gonna come back to the wig tomorrow because I should have gone to the beauty supply. I just want it more orange and I don't have the color I need. I brought my towel to the beauty supply and they have all the Adore colors, look. Literally. They have so many different colors, but the one I'm gonna get, the one I need, I think is this one, Orange Blaze. I'm gonna get another paprika. Cajun spice too. I mean, this is stress. These two should do it. Okay, we are good to go. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? If I'm in my mind at work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100. This is what we're working with color-wise, but we won't be able to tell 100% until it's dry. I have to run out real quick, but in all honesty, this color is not what I wanted. It's close, but it's just not what I wanted, so I'm gonna reassess. I may just leave it like this, but when I get back, I'm gonna regroup, reassess, and, you know, see where we go from there. This is the wig right here. I was in the Valley of Decision before, but I just left the wig as it was. I am just gonna put it on real quick and see. Oh, this is HD lace for sure. Yeah, by the time I finish with this, I do my makeup and everything, Just gonna eat. Yeah, I'm gonna cut just this little bit at the end. Look at the lace though. What lace? I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me. I have to do it. I want your body infusing. This spray is for sure one of the best. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? I need to put a band in the back because it keeps sliding. That's secure. It was just slipping and sliding. Look at this bounce. Bounce when she walks. I'm actually excited now. I'm supposed to really have this finished in 10 minutes. I wanna be with you. 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 You like it?
I like you.
He likes it. Oh, this is an arm workout, let me tell you. Last one. Now I have to separate these. Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life, let's get it. Hit that shoulder, I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. I'm feeling go out, this feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still? Hair is done. I love this. I absolutely love how this came out. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see it in the pictures. It was supposed to be, you know, we spoke about it before. It's supposed to be a little more orange, but I'm not mad at it at all. Oh, it's cute. Okay, I'm gonna do my makeup because I want my brows to match, so I'm gonna change the color and I'm gonna come back with the completed look. This is the final look. I'm so late, let me go.